Hey, what's going on? Dave here, back at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with another walkthrough demonstration of a brand new 2023 Grand Design Reflection. This one is the 315 RLTS rear living, 3 slide outs. Let's get started.
So first, we have our huge pass-through storage. I'm gonna hit on a couple key things in here. We have our all-in-one station here. So dry camping, hooking up to city water, winterization, quick little drain plug here, which is awesome. And then on this side, you can actually take a quick peek at our charge controller. That's because we've got some solar panels up on the roof and an all-electric fridge that we'll take a look at inside. Okay, so quick note before we pop in, we've got 2 awnings, 2 full-size awnings that come out this direction. We have 3 slides on this guy. So, and 2 of them are opposing slides, really opens up the living space that we've got in there. Let's pop inside and take a look. Okay, so now stepping into our Reflection. Beautiful thing about this Reflection travel trailer, it's everything that you love about the Reflection fifth wheel, just in a travel trailer. So we've got our dinette seating here. This actually functions both as storage and an ottoman. Can pulls out and serve as a footrest. Obviously, we've got our Thomas Paine collection, heated seats and massage, which is awesome. This is our trifold sofa over here, pulls out, great sleeping area for any guests that you might bring with you. And then our entertainment centers. Got a little fireplace down low, TCL Roku TV, which is great. So moving this direction, huge pantry space. So that's gonna be some of the best pantry space you can find in a travel trailer. And then, like I was saying outside, we've got some solar panels on the roof. So that allows us to have this residential fridge with lots of extra storage. Okay. Peeking into our bathroom here, we've got our pocket door, which is a fantastic space saver. Everybody loves their pocket doors. Glass for the shower, which is great. Nice big shower, lots of room to maneuver. Skylight up above. And then, of course, we have our porcelain toilet. Okay, now popping into our bedroom space here. Another pocket door, great space saver. Huge wardrobe area. We've got our queen bed here, little nightstands on either side for our CPAP machine. And then this is built for a entertainment center. So we've got our TV backer up here and more. We've got a small dresser for some more storage. Okay, now peeking into our big closet space here. Lots of room, obviously. We've got a curtain rod that goes all the way across. Kind of hard to see, but around this side here, we actually have washer and dryer prep. So you can put your washing and dryer machine there and a little laundry chute. Pass-through storage to that front storage up front.
Big thanks once again to Eric for showing us some of the highlights of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS. For more information on this unit and others here at Brett's RV and Marine, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.